One great article is not enough for AI recommendation. What AI looks for is a business that has depth, multiple pages and content pieces that all reinforce expertise on a topic. Think of it this way. A sofa company with one product page for corner sofas will get far less AI visibility than a sofa company with a product page, a buying guide, a comparison article on left-hand versus right-hand facing sofas, a blog post on measuring your space, and customer reviews mentioning corner sofas specifically. The second company looks like a specialist. AI recommends specialists. Here is how to map your own content web. Start with your main product or service. List every question a customer might ask about it. List every problem they might have. List every comparison or alternative they might consider. Then, create one piece of content for each of those questions. A quick way to find those questions. Open ChatGPT and type, "I sell your product or service. What are the 10 most common questions someone would ask before buying?" Use that list as your content calendar. Every piece of content you create on a specific subtopic is a potential citation point in AI conversations about that topic. New AEO and GEO lesson daily catch up in the playlist. Subscribe for daily updates.